Welcome back. Today I will be teaching you how to add stations to your unique SAT decoder. So usually every month the service providers used to update stations into the decoder. So for you to get those stations back, you have to rescan your decoder. So right now we are going to rescan our decoder for new stations. So to do that, we locate our menu on the remote. You can see here is where we have the menu, so I'll quickly press that. So on the screen there we have installation. So on installation I will click on it, and then I'll go to satellite settings. So satellite settings, there you see we have now sat 101.102.007.0 west. So I'll just click on it. That is where we have our satellite that is offering us this reception. So I will come to the transponder. I will just let it be. So next I will have to click the button up here on the remote to perform the network search. So I will say network search on. I will now go to channel type. I will just quickly say free to air, all. Let me just use all. So I will now say scan type is what blind scan, so I will just blind scan it. So if there is any updated stations on the network, it will all come out, so we can now have new stations on our decoder. So let's begin the scan now. As you can see, it is scanning. It has not seen any station yet, so let's just wait and hold on before we get. Okay, it has started scanning. It has started seeing other stations, right? Oh well, let's see if we are going to have new channels there. We are almost to the end. Well, with this I should be able to have new stations on my decoder. So it has finished scanning, so I'll just say yes, and it will save the newly scanned stations. Well, that is what we have. So I'll quickly go to the very last, like, okay, that is one MTA. So I'll just go to the last part of it. So we have about 193 there. So they said living TV. So I'll just open it and see what is there. So that is probably a new station we have been there. Okay, this station is actually showing some, I think it's Nollywood movies. That is what we have here. It's actually new, so every month I usually scan. Sometimes in 2 weeks or so I scan for new stations, so I'll have to discover new stations right there. So let's see this very one here. Okay, this is for sports, and these ones, they are premium stations, so you have to pay for it before you view what is there. So this is actually a free to air decoder, so I don't actually subscribe it. So these stations I will later on come down here and delete them out from the decoder. So Hero TV, what are they showing there? No service there. Praise TV, nothing is there. So DNA Sport, nothing is there. So NBC 4 Max, nothing is there. Action. Okay, so let's just go back to other stations. MBC2. Okay, here we are having imitation games here. So let's go to the marks. Okay, I think this station they are showing a movie there. Very interesting. So that is it all. That is how you add new stations to your decoder anywhere you are. So you just have to have this on done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.